on, fellow YouTubers? All Things Tech here. Today I have a special treat for you guys. 5 boxes just came in earlier today. This is a Tuesday. 5 boxes full of nice alcohol. Alcohol, Primo alcohol right here. Special shipment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox all this, get this spot ready for that housewarming, this Penthouse warming party on the 51st floor, the highest spot you can be from New York to Miami. This is Charlotte, North Carolina. So I'm going to put them on these shelves back here. Let me know what you think. I'm going to time lapse as I take these out the box. I'm going to slow it back down and go over the bottles, my selection, what I choose, and some value that I found based on the purchase, whatnot. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you think about my selection of alcohol. Without further ado, let's get to this.
Lunes, para todos esos envidiosos. Tranquilo con mi flow, los mantengo. Me dicen que estás escaso, pero no tengo la voz ronca como Ñengo. Pero los parto bien duro como Sony le hizo a Nintendo. Quieren más, pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay, y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima no es normal. La gente me odia porque soy original. Tanto falso que hay en esta humanidad. Yo los entiendo y sé por qué así están. Es que Supreme es tan high que no tiene ningún rival.
Todo pecho frío se cría en el río, teniendo lo suyo, enseñando lo mío. Ahí donde empiezan toditos los líos, porque se comparan con el Rey León. Cuando de off your own.
Alright, so just finished opening 5 boxes of these bottles, and man, that was a workout. These are some really big bottles, like legit big bottles. Normally alcohol comes in 750 milliliters. I got some that are 1.75. Instead of 1.5 is 1.75, so you get like a 250 milliliters extra. Anyways, I'm just gonna go through some items. I think I might be missing some bottles, but I'm not sure. But real quick count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27 bottles of alcohol right here. And I mean, that's a lot of alcohol. So let's go through this real quick. So I got 1942 Don Julio, very good stuff. The Giganta Grey Goose 1.75. Ciroc, also 1.75 liters. We got 2 Macallan's 12. Got a bottle of Patron Silver. 2 bottles of Casamigo, 2 of those. 2 bottles of Rosé Moet. 2 bottles of Rosé Ice. Moet Ice. Bacardi's for mixing. 2 1942s. Good drinking on the rocks for old fashioned. 2 Kettle Ones, real good mixers. Sapphire Gin, part of Long Island. Hennessy, 1.75 liter, Big Daddy Henny. This one is Black, Henny Black. Big Honey JD right here. It's freaking huge right here. Bottle of Baby Henny. Not sure why I have a baby one, but here's a Remy Martin 1738. 2 Tito's Original Crown and Crown Apple. Box breaking down. But yeah, so overall, this is collection. First round. I think I'm gonna see how well they fill up on these 2 tables, and I'll buy additional balls if need be. But yeah, tell me what you think about this selection. And I got some other bottles on my other sidebar, but yeah, this is just pretty much the base for a power day. But anyways, share, comment below, let me know what you think. All Things Tech here. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe.